Hi, good morning to one and all. Myself, A. Ramanjnelu. Today I am going to explain how to draw the projections of a given point in any quadrant. Already we discussed in previous class, that is quadrant system. What is first quadrant? What is the condition in first quadrant? Similarly in second, third, fourth cases. Okay. In today's session, I am going to draw the projections for the given conditions. Generally, in projection of objects, generally in two cases, that is 2V projection and 3V projection. In 2-view projection means only we need to draw any two views. Generally, two views means front view and top view. In 3 views means we need to consider the side view also. Sometimes they will ask both left sided and right sided. Okay. Whatever the views they ask, we need to draw that views. Okay. Coming to 2-view projections. Okay. Here in this they given that point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, first we need to identify the quadrant based on given condition. Okay, I'm explaining. I'm drawing the quadrant diagram. Okay. Okay, it is the reference line XY, it is horizontal plane, and this one is vertical plane. Okay, and this one is first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. These are the 4 different quadrants. Okay, in first quadrant means we know condition, that is above HP and in front of VP. In front of VP, it is the first quadrant condition. Similarly, in second quadrant, above HP, behind VP. Okay. Next, coming to third condition. In third condition, the condition is third quadrant. The condition is below HP, behind VP. Okay. In fourth quadrant, below HP, in front of VP. Okay. It is the quadrants theory. First quadrant, second, third, fourth. These are the conditions in 4 quadrants. Okay. Coming to first problem, they given that a point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Above in front means it is definitely first quadrant. It is first quadrant. We can identify easily it is the first quadrant. So that we need to take, I'm considering this first quadrant. Okay, I'm drawing separately. Okay, it is the vertical plane and this one is horizontal plane. Okay, it is the first quadrant condition. Okay, here the object, the given condition that the object is a point A is 20 mm above HP. Okay, it is a point is located 20 mm above HP. It is HP means from this horizontal plane it is lying on 20 mm above HP. Suppose from this point to this point distance is 20 mm. From this point to this point distance is 20 mm. Okay, from it is the point A. Okay, next, and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, in front of VP means it is vertical plane. From vertical plane to this point distance is 30 mm. Okay, it is the given problem. We need to draw the projections for this point. Okay, so that suppose if you view observer is here, we view from this side the projection, if you observe this point from this side in front of VP, okay, the projection of this point is fall on the vertical plane. Okay, it is the front view. It is A dash. I already said front view is denoted by front view and top views are denoted by small letters. For front view, the notation is A dash. Suppose the point name we taken as A, so that the front view notation is A dash. Okay, suppose if you observe this point from top side, okay, this image is fall on horizontal plane. Okay, so that it is top view. It is denoted by A. Okay, it is the front view and it is the top view. We need to draw this. Okay, from this point to this point distance is 20. From this point to this point is 30. We need to draw this projection. It is the in isometric view. We need to convert in two-dimensional case. For this case, we need to rotate this horizontal plane into 90 degrees clockwise. 90 degrees clockwise, so that this plane comes into this position. Okay. Okay. Now the angle between VP and HP is 180 degrees. Okay. Here, whenever we turn this horizontal plane, what happen? This top view will comes here. This top view will comes here. Okay, so that the distance from this point to this point is 30. Similarly, this point to this point is 30. It is A, this A dash. So that we need to draw like this in two-dimensional way. It is XY. XY is nothing but a reference line. Okay, I'm taking any point on the reference line. It is considered as O. Okay, from this point to this point distance is 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay, it is A dash. Okay, it is the projection line. From this point to this point, its distance is 30. It is top view, so that it is taken as like this. Okay, from this point to this point distance is 30. Okay, it is A dash and A. It is the horizontal plane and it is the vertical plane. Okay, for this you can draw in general way. Okay, first we need to draw the reference line by making the mark on the diopter is 0. Okay, I'm first drawing the XY line. It is XY. In first quadrant means it is the, no, I'm solving the first problem. Okay, in first problem, above XY is VP, below XY it is HP, horizontal plane. Okay, I'm considering one point. It is O. Okay, from O, the distance from projection, observe, this point to this point distance is 20. Okay, okay, apart from this we can draw directly from the given question. It is a from easiest method. Okay, observe, here the problem is given that A is 20 mm above HP. Above HP means we can draw directly. Above or below. Above means draw the, locate the point above the XY with 20 mm, 10, 20 mm. It is the point. From this point to this point distance is 20. Okay, it is the front view. Okay, front view is always located in VP. Top view is always located in HP. Okay, now we completed front view. Next we need to draw the top view. 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means, okay, from this point to this point distance is 30. Okay, the front view and top view is come on in a same line. Okay, it is the point, it is the top view, it is the front view. Top view is denoted by A, Okay, we need to draw the one projection line. This line should be drawn in light, that means thin line. It is the projection line, so that I place it is a thin line. Okay, it is the front view and it is the top view. Front view is denoted by A dash and top view is denoted by A. Next, after completion of this, we need to give the dimension. Okay, for dimension case, we need to give the distance. Take minimum 1 centimeter. Okay, okay, from this point to this point is 30 and this point to this point is 20. Like this we need to give the dimensions. Now we completed projection for first condition. Next, coming to second condition. Here the second condition they given that from now onwards I am drawing directly for second condition. Here the point B is 20 mm above HP, 30 mm behind VP. 20 mm above, behind, above and behind. Above, behind means it is second quadrant. For second quadrant, it is the plane. It is the, I am separating the second quadrant from the four quadrant system. Okay, when we rotate this plane into 90 degrees, what happened? The both HP and VP lie in the same plane, that is above XY. So the front view and top view both are located in above XY in second quadrant. Okay, from this I am drawing directly for every projection. First we need to draw the XY line with your convenient length. It is a reference line XY. Next we need to give the planes. For second quadrant, VP and HP both are in above the XY, so that the front view and top view also come under above the HP. Front view and top view both are located in above XY. Here the point is, first we need to draw above or below. Above and below data is regarding the front view, in front and behind data regarding the top view. Okay, the point is B is 20 mm above HP. Above HP means it is, you need to locate, draw the 20 mm above HP. Above HP means first we need to consider any point O. From this need to locate 20 mm line. It is the front view, that is the point given that B, so that it is taken as B dash. Okay, why? The front view is always located in vertical plane. Okay, for the front view data they will give above or below. Above or below is regarding front view, behind or in front data regarding to top view. Now we completed front view. Next we need to draw top view. Here the top view is also come under above the XY. Okay, in second quadrant. The 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP means it will, when we convert, rotate 90 degrees, it will come above the HP, above the XY. From this point to this point distance is 30. Okay, it is the top view. It is denoted by, top view is denoted by B. Okay, this both these come under same reference projection line. Okay, now we need to give the dimension for this object. Okay, I'm giving separately. Okay, we need to fill the arrow mark like this. We need to draw Okay, from this point to front view distance is 20 above HP and 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP, when we rotate the horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise, it will lie on the VP, so that the top view is also in above the XY in second quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant means both front view and top view will come above the XY. Okay, next coming to third quadrant. Third problem. Here the problem given that a point C is 20 mm below HP, 30 mm behind VP. This is the quadrant. Below behind means third quadrant. Okay, now we need to take and draw the plane. It is the third quadrant, it is the HP, and it is the VP. Okay, when we rotate it is 90 degrees. What happened? This horizontal plane will come under up to here, so that it is the XY, it is the vertical plane is fixed, horizontal plane is rotate, so that it will come under above XY. What happened? It is the horizontal plane. For third quadrant it is reverse to the first quadrant. In first quadrant what happened? VP above XY, HP below XY. In third quadrant, HP above XY, VP below XY. It is reverse to the first quadrant. Okay, next, first we need to draw the reference line with convenient length. Okay, XY is the reference line. Next, take any point. Okay, it is known as O. Okay, next we need to draw the above or below data. In third problem, they given that C is 20 mm below HP behind VP. First we need to draw the below HP. It is the front view. Front view is always it come under vertical plane. For third quadrant, below XY VP, above XY HP. So that in vertical plane we will get front view, in horizontal plane we will get top view. Okay, in, below HP, from this point we need to locate 20 mm distance. Okay, it is the front view. It is denoted by the point is C, capital C, so that you need to give the C dash. It is the front view. Okay, next we need to draw the top view. Here top view is given that 30 mm behind VP means when the rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise will get above HP. Okay, that means 30 mm from this point. Okay, it is the top view, and this one is front view. Next, give the dimensions. Okay, from this point to this point distance is 20, and this point to this point distance is 30. Okay, up to now we completed third condition. Next, coming to fourth condition. Here in fourth condition they given that here the condition given that a point D is 20 mm below HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Below HP and in front of VP. Below and in front, that means it is fourth quadrant. Based on the condition, first we need to identify the quadrant. For fourth quadrant, I am drawing separately. It is vertical plane and it is horizontal plane. Okay, I am converting this isometric view into two dimension. For that, when we rotate horizontal plane in clockwise, first I am drawing the vertical plane that is fixed. Here the horizontal plane we rotate 90 degrees clockwise means it will coincide with vertical plane. For this condition, both VP and HP lie below the XY. Okay. For this, first we need to draw the XY. First we need to draw the reference line. Next, the point D is 20 mm below HP. First we need to locate the 20 mm below HP. The problem given that 20 mm below HP. Take any point 20 mm below HP. Okay, below HP. First we need to give the planes. For fourth quadrant, both VP and HP lie in the below the XY. Okay, it is 20 mm below HP. Below HP means it is front view. It is D dash. Next, 30 mm behind VP. 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means it will, when we rotate horizontal plane in 90 degrees clockwise, it is coincide. The plane is coincide with the vertical plane, so that the top view also is located below the XY. Okay, the top view is 30 mm from the XY. Okay, it is D. From this point to reference line distance is 30. From this point to this point distance is 20. We need to give the dimensions. Okay, it is 30 and this one is 20. Okay, the top view, that is 30 mm in front of VP and 20 mm below HP. Below or above, definitely front view. Behind or in front, it is top view. Okay, next we need to draw the fifth condition. Here the fifth condition given that the point is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. On HP and in front of VP. On HP means this one. We can take in first or second, any quadrant. Okay, is on HP, so that it is lie on first or second. 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means it is definitely first quadrant. In first quadrant, vertical plane is above HP, horizontal plane is below XY. Above XY and below XY. Above HY is vertical plane. First we need to draw the XY. Next locate the planes. In first quadrant, vertical plane is above XY, horizontal plane is below XY. Here the condition is given that the point is on HP. Here there is no data regarding above or below. On HP. Okay, it is the front view. When we view from object from front side, the front view is located on XY. It is the front view. It is E dash. Because above or below there is no data. It is on HP. So that the projection front view is located on XY. Next, 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means when we turn this horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise, it will come under below XY. So that from this point to this point distance is 30. It is the top view. Okay. Okay, next it is this one is 4 and this one is 5. Next we need to draw the sixth condition. Here sixth condition, the point F is on VP and 20 mm above HP. Draw its projections. Here the point F is on VP. On VP means it will comes under first or fourth quadrant. It is any quadrant we can take, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 quadrants, any one. Here, but the problem is given that 20 mm above HP. Above HP means it is 1 or 2. That means first quadrant. On VP. On VP, so that it is 1 or 3. If you they given above HP. Above HP means it is first quadrant. Below HP means it is fourth quadrant. Okay. So that it is first quadrant. In first quadrant, for this first we need to draw the XY line. First we need to draw the XY line. In first quadrant, VP is above HP. HP is below, above XY. HP is below XY. Okay. For this, the point F is on VP and 20 mm above HP. First I am drawing above. Above means front view. From this point to this point is 20. It is the front view. It is F dash. Okay. If you view from this point from top side, it is on VP, so that this projection is fall on XY. It is the top view. It is F. Okay. From this point to this point distance is 20 mm. Okay. Next we need to draw the seventh condition. Here the seventh condition they given that a point G is lying on both HP and VP. Draw its projections. Draw its position. For that, first we need to draw the XY line. Here G is lying on both HP and VP. It is the quadrant. In this, the point G is on both VP and HP. For satisfying that condition, the point, suppose if you take this point is on HP, what happened? It is in front of VP and on HP. Suppose if your point take on VP, what happened? It is above HP and on VP. Suppose I taken here. If the point is taken here, what happened? The point is on HP and on VP. So that by satisfying this condition, the point G is lying on both VP and HP, so that the point is on reference line. If you view from front side, what happened? This position is fall on reference line. At the top view, this position is fall on reference line. So that the position for this condition is the point is on reference line. It is G comma G dash. Okay, G is top view, G dash is front view. Okay, it is about question of points in any quadrant. Okay, now we solved all the conditions for the given condition. For first condition, a point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, it is front view and it is top view. In second condition, they given that the point B is 20 mm above HP. Above HP is front view and 30 mm behind. Behind means it is come under above XY. Behind is above XY. In front means below XY. Okay, it is fixed. Next, in third condition, the point C is 20 mm below HP. Below HP means front view. 30 mm behind. Behind means it will come under above XY. Okay, it is top view. Next, for fourth condition, they given that the point D is 20 mm below HP. Below HP means front view and 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means top view. Okay. Next, for fifth condition, the point E is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means it is comes under below XY on HP. On HP means the front view is on XY. Next, the point F is on VP and 20 mm above HP. Above HP means it is front view. The projection is come under on XY for top view. Okay. Next, the final condition is the point G is lying on both HP and VP. Okay. For this condition, the front view and top view both will come on XY. Okay. It is the front view and top view of a point G. Okay. It is the projections of a points in any quadrant. Okay. Thanks for watching.